The Bouraw Robot Building Kit BRK-001 offers a versatile experience with its 4-in-1 design, allowing children to build a robot, car, dinosaur, and airplane. This kit promotes hands-on STEM learning, encouraging kids to develop skills in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through an engaging and interactive process. Users can control the robot via a smartphone app, which provides a dynamic and customizable play experience with real-time movement and programmable commands. Constructed from eco-friendly ABS plastic, this robot kit is both safe and durable, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable building experience for children aged 6 and older. The step-by-step assembly guide makes it easy for both children and parents to build the models, enhancing confidence and promoting independent learning. Overall, the Bouraw Robot Building Kit BRK-001 is an excellent educational gift that combines creativity, learning, and fun for children.